ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀sùn mọ́ bí ẹ wá gbọ́ tuntun o bó tún gbé e dé ara ti lè báyìí bíríire lógóńjì mo ti wà pa mo láìkì nǹkan tí jagaban ṣe lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ọlọ́run mo gbé fún ẹ gan ni o ara mi tó le ní fídíò ti pọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀tì máa ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi ẹ má bínú pé mi lè máa mú níwùsì wá fún yín ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan ni mò ń wá níwùsì ti pọ̀ òkúnnú la fi ń gbé títà ìlera lọ́rọ̀ ẹ ṣe gan ni ṣe rí fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fi wọ̀n yín má nìyí bọ ó tún pẹ̀rẹ̀pẹ̀rẹ̀ o ó ní kí jagaban kó lọ àrẹ́sì ọlọ́pàá máa kó everybody ayé everybody máa rún ní sẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn kíní ti ba ayé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ àwọn pípì ti pa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn lápasáyé ẹ ti ṣe ìkà ọ̀dájú nìyí ẹ dájú gan o ẹ dájú ẹ ní ìkà ẹ mà ní ìkà o nígbà tẹ́nìkan yín bá ní adúdú owó yẹn tẹ́yìn dẹ́ kó pamọ́ sínú ilé tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń gbádùn pẹ̀lú fámílì yín tẹ́ẹ̀ ronú ìyà tí àwọn èèyàn jẹ ẹ bẹ̀rù ọlọ́run ẹ rántí ọjọ́ tẹ̀sùn tẹ́ẹ̀ ní jí mọ́ ẹ wo eméfi olórí burúkú eméfi olè eméfi òfò tẹ́ bá rí owó tí wọ́n ná bá nínú ilé rẹ̀ ní Èkó wọ́n ní àwọn navy àwọn jagunjagun orí omi tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ lórí omi àwọn ti navy wọ́n láwọn ló kó sínú ilé yẹn pé wọ́n bí anybody re kó kọjá nílé gbèrègbè yẹn wọ́n ní tí wọ́n ní tẹ́ bá tó ráwọn owó mi tó kó sínú underground lásán ní eméfi olè yìí tẹ́ bá rí owó tó ná bá nínú ilé eméfi olè ní Èkó kì í ṣe owó kékeré o ọ̀tọ̀ lélẹ̀ tó ń gbé sínú Ghana must go tó nu Ghana must go tó ń gbé lọ tó fẹ́ lọ fi ṣe money loss tó ń gbé travel lọ tí wọ́n mú eméfi olè ó ti báyé jẹ́ bá a wà mọ́rúwá èmi ń pè ẹ́ ní mọ́rúwá torí fáànù ni ó tó ń fẹ́ tá a rí i pé torí pé orí tíngíní látijọ́ bó ṣe rí bí ìpèkèrè yẹ́bà torí pẹlẹ bí òṣì báyìí torí pẹ̀kẹlẹ mẹ́sì báyìí fáànù ni ẹ́ tó ń fẹ́ ogbórí wọn látijọ́ yìí tá a mọ̀ pé nǹkan ìbànújẹ́ ló ń fẹ́ sáyé àwọn èèyàn tá a rò pé èèyàn tó dáa ni ọ́ àṣẹ burúkú ni ẹ́ fáànù mọ́rúwá bá a wà tírín báyìí ni tẹ bá rúdú owó tán náà òun náà fi gba hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ ti pa àwọn èèyàn gan o tẹ bá gbọ́ fídíò tí mánu yìí sọ mánu yìí ní kàn arrest everybody páwọn kan tó wà tí wọ́n máa arrest ó ti tú gbogbo ẹ má jẹ́ kí n rojọ́ jù bá mi wo fídíò ayé yóò dà wọ́n bá dẹ̀ tí ń wò bá mi pín yóò dà fún ọwọ́ tó ń kù ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ayé máa rí ibi tí wọ́n ba ayé jẹ́ dé ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo ayé rí nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe ẹ̀yin tẹ́jọ́ ọmọ ti Tinubu tẹ́ bá rí àwọn àṣírí tó ń tú jáde ẹ ṣí àrẹ kó go viral so that wọ́n mọ̀ pé bàbá yín kọ́ ló ba nǹkan jẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ pé bàbá àti yín bàbá mọ̀ pé jagaban nǹkan ló ba nǹkan jẹ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ APC mo mọ̀ pé APC náà ló ba ètò wà ńlẹ̀ jẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹjọ́ ọmọ ti Yorùbá wọ́n mọ̀ pé Tinubu kọ́ ló ó ti dé bẹ́ẹ̀ báyìí nǹkan ló ba lẹ́yìn kó tó di pé nǹkan ó tún mọ́ ọdún ojúrú ẹ tètè bá wa fọ́n gbogbo àwọn eléyìí síta káyé tètè rí gbogbo àṣírí wọn ẹ ṣeun.
Tinubu built Lagos. We're happy. But the people in Aja-Asis, Abraham Adesoya, they deserve light. They deserve good road. When it rains for 3 minutes, about jagaban, you will leave the country to come and stay with us. So we cannot stay here when it rains, and there's no electricity. The money these people are stealing, you can recover it and give us 24 hours uninterrupted electricity. You want to build bridge? You want to do this one? We don't want those things. If we have electricity, we have energy, we have good roads, infrastructures. Nigerians are very entrepreneurial. They are very smart people. They will do a lot. Don't give us 24 agenda. Give us electricity. Make our road to be motorable. Because of our grandmother in the village. Their wares are just being destroyed. They cannot bring those things to market. They cannot sell their ewedu anymore. Please, we need you to act on this climate control so we can be planting. They cannot sell their ewedu anymore. Please, we need you to act on this climate control so we can be planting more trees. We need to give the poor people money to farm so we can be exporting organic. All these people who stole our money that have been reported to you, starting from the man who went to go and brand our plane to take 138 billion from Baba Goslow. to recover that money. The man from the Ministry of what do you call it, Attorney General of Finance, whatever you call it, I don't know his name. That Fulani man that stole almost 200 billion. He returned 30 billion back through this little kid, the Soma EFCC, that stupid boy who was the one spend 300,000 in a hotel when he took his family on vacation. Only in Nigeria. You cannot read anything other than fraud. Other fraud. Billion fraud. The other Fulani woman again that you gave the money to for palliative. Baba, jagaban, I know it's not you. It was Baba Go Slow. Arrest all of them. Prosecute them. Put them in jail. Give them uniform prisoner to wear. Save this country, Nigeria. Baba, jagaban. You are there temporary. We are seeing court as labor. Jail. Give them uniform prisoner to wear. Save this country, Nigeria. Baba, jagaban. You are there temporary. We are seeing court as labor people. But yes, you are the president now. We cannot address you as president-elect. We will address you as Mr. President. Do the right thing, please. We are not going to be buried with this money. We cannot just throw away the future of these children because of our criminality. Now, what shall it profit a man to inherit the world and lose his soul? Please, let's save Nigeria.